This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Mooloolaba, Australia. 1. Relax at Mooloolaba Beach. Start your Mooloolaba adventure at the town's stunning namesake beach, one of the safest and most family-friendly surf beaches in Australia. This north-facing stretch of golden sand offers calm, crystal-clear waters that are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and a variety of water sports. You can spend the whole day relaxing on the soft sand, building sand castles with the kids, or taking a refreshing dip in the gentle waves. The beach is patrolled by lifeguards, making it a safe environment for everyone. You can also try your hand at surfing, with several local surf schools offering lessons right on the beach. As the day winds down, find a spot to watch the spectacular sunset over the ocean. The beach is conveniently located right next to the Esplanade, so you can easily grab a bite or a drink without straying far. 2. Explore Sea Life Sunshine Coast. Next, dive into the underwater world at Sea Life Sunshine Coast Aquarium, the largest aquarium and oceanarium in Queensland. Situated right at the wharf, this multi-award-winning attraction is home to thousands of marine and freshwater animals. Walk through the mesmerizing underwater tunnels and get up close to massive sharks, graceful rays, and schools of tropical fish swimming all around you. You can also visit one of Australia's largest collections of jellyfish and see the rare seahorse-like weedy sea dragons. Kids will love the interactive exhibits and the chance to learn about the region's fascinating marine life. It's an ideal indoor activity for hot, rainy, or even sunny days, offering a cool escape and a unique perspective on the ocean. Located just a 2-minute walk from Main Beach, it's easy to fit into any itinerary. 3. Stroll the Mooloolaba Esplanade. Take a leisurely stroll along the vibrant Mooloolaba Esplanade, a lively beachfront boulevard that runs parallel to the stunning coastline. Lined with a fantastic mix of alfresco restaurants, juice bars, fashion boutiques, and surf stores, this is the social heart of the town. You can start your day with a coffee and a $10 breakfast special at a popular spot like Four Pines Mooloolaba. Browse the unique stores for beachwear, homewares, and local art. In the evening, the Esplanade comes alive as diners fill the outdoor tables, creating a vibrant and relaxed atmosphere. It's the perfect place for a slow, leisurely morning or an afternoon of shopping and dining. The constant ocean views and sea breeze make every moment along the Esplanade a delightful coastal experience. 4. Wander through Mooloolaba Wharf. Make your way to the lively Mooloolaba Wharf precinct, a bustling marina hub packed with waterfront restaurants, boutique shops, and tour operators. This is the place to go for a scenic meal, with many eateries offering stunning views of the bobbing boats and the shimmering water. Grab a fresh seafood lunch or a drink by the water and watch the world go by. The wharf is also the departure point for many of the area's top adventures, including whale-watching cruises, fishing charters, and diving tours. As the sun begins to set, the area becomes particularly special, with the sky lighting up over the marina. You can easily spend a few hours here exploring the shops, enjoying the food, and booking your next water-based activity. 5. Cruise to spot humpback whales. From June to October, Mooloolaba becomes one of the best places in Queensland to witness the annual humpback whale migration. Book a whale-watching cruise from the wharf for an unforgettable encounter with these gentle giants. As you sail out on the Humpback Highway, you'll have a front-row seat to watch majestic whales breaching, splashing their massive tails, and spy-hopping. Tour operators use onboard hydrophones, so you can even hear the whales' haunting songs. Some tours offer a whale sighting guarantee, giving you a free trip if you don't spot one. The cruises last 2 to 3 hours and are a truly memorable experience for all ages. This is one of the most spectacular wildlife shows nature has to offer. 6. Snorkel Mudjimba Island. Set sail on a snorkeling adventure to Mudjimba Island, a stunning dive site just a 15-minute boat ride from Mooloolaba. Expert guides will lead you into the magical underwater world where you can swim among a vibrant reef teeming with marine life. You can expect to see green sea turtles gracefully gliding by, wabagong sharks resting on the sandy bottom, and a kaleidoscope of colorful reef fish, nudibranchs, and corals. The water depth ranges from 5 to 14 meters, and you'll have a full hour to explore the site. The snorkel guides are there to assist you, making it a great experience for both beginners and experienced snorkelers. This half-day tour offers a fantastic, active way to experience the incredible marine biodiversity of the Sunshine Coast. 7. Walk the Mooloolaba Spit. Take a scenic walk or bike ride along the Mooloolaba Spit, a beautiful peninsula that offers stunning coastal views. The well-maintained path, which is about a 1-kilometer round trip, is perfect for a relaxed stroll or a quick jog. As you walk out towards the entrance of the Mooloolaba Harbor, you'll be treated to incredible views of the coastline. The late afternoon is the best time to visit, as the setting sun casts a golden glow over the water and the boats in the marina. From the spit, you can look back and see a panoramic vista stretching from Mooloolaba all the way to the northern Sunshine Coast. This peaceful walk is a favorite among locals and a great way to enjoy the fresh sea air and capture beautiful photos. 8. Climb Point Cartwright Lighthouse. Drive or walk to the Point Cartwright Reserve to climb the modern, active lighthouse built in 1978. This 32-meter-tall white tower marks the entrance to the Mooloolaba Harbor and offers expansive views from its elevated position. Stand beside the lighthouse and take in the 360-degree panorama. From this vantage point, you can see the Mooloola River snaking westward and the open ocean stretching away to the east. It's also a prime spot for whale watching during the migration season, so bring your binoculars. A short paved path leads from the car park to the lighthouse, making it an easy and rewarding stop. This is one of the best places to get a true sense of the region's beauty and scale. 9. Dine on fresh seafood. You must taste the incredible fresh seafood that Mooloolaba is famous for. With the ocean on its doorstep, the town is a haven for seafood lovers. You can enjoy a classic seafood lunch cruise, where you can choose from a delicious meal of fish and chips, calamari, or fresh Mooloolaba prawns while sailing along the beautiful coastline. On land, many of the Esplanade and Wharf restaurants specialize in local seafood, offering everything from casual fish and chips to elegant waterfront dining. Treat yourself to the catch of the day, succulent prawns, or fresh local oysters while taking in stunning ocean views. Dining in Mooloolaba is an experience in itself, with fresh produce and a beautiful coastal setting. 10. Day trip to the Hinterland. Finally, take a day trip from Mooloolaba to explore the stunning Sunshine Coast hinterland. A short drive inland will take you to charming villages like Montville and Mullaney, perched high in the rolling hills. You can wander through art galleries, boutique shops, and cozy cafes while enjoying cool mountain air and breathtaking views. For nature lovers, Kondalilla National Park offers incredible rainforest trails that lead to spectacular waterfalls and lookouts. Visit the Mary Cairncross Scenic Reserve for panoramic views over the iconic Glasshouse Mountains. This full-day tour is the perfect way to experience the lush, green side of the Sunshine Coast, a beautiful contrast to the golden beaches. Come ready to explore both coast and country.